The Center for Constitutional Rights was founded in November 1966 by attorneys Morton Stavis, Arthur Kenoy, Ben Smith, and William Kunstler. Their legal work representing civil rights activists in Mississippi convinced them of the need for a privately funded legal center. This center would undertake innovative impact litigation on behalf of popular movements for social justice. The history of CCR since its founding reflects the history of the legal battles of the many social movements, organizations, and individuals whose constitutional rights have been denied or attacked.
CCR is not merely a legal organization. CCR was born out of the Southern Civil Rights Movement, and the whole conception of the organization was that the law would go hand in hand with the social movements, the political activity. Mississippi was one of the most segregated states, one of the most dangerous states if you were a black person living in the South. I mean, every form of intimidation possible were used against black people in the South who wanted to vote.
What Morty did was he went there
to vote.
What Morty did was he went there and spent a whole, summer, 6 months, something like that, gathering the affidavits of people who had tried to register to vote and were refused. Then Miss Fannie Lou Hamer and her group went to Washington, D.C. With those affidavits and challenged the seating of the Mississippi delegation. So Congress, amazingly and historically, held up the seating of the Mississippi delegation there for several days, and then within months passed the Voting Rights Act.